Welcome to Crypto.XL, your go-to spot for all things crypto. Here we dive into market trends, altcoin gems, and blockchain innovations, helping you stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of crypto. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing here is financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Want exclusive insights? Join the Patreon where I share buy and sell picks, market updates, and behind-the-scenes content. Hit that like, subscribe, and bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's ride the crypto wave together.
Crypto.XL. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion on the markets. Hi guys. So how are we doing today? Jumping back into the world of crypto, the Fear and Greed Index is currently at 47. So we're neutral. Now, it's been taking us quite a while to get into fear. The market is not fearful, or it doesn't stay fearful for long. I think that because this is a fourth cycle, that there's a lot of people that are anticipating what comes next, and that is altcoin season. So it makes it a little bit more difficult for this needle to stay down in fear and stay there for any duration of time. And when we are in the red, when we are in fear, that is the buying opportunity of a lifetime. But again, we haven't reached fear and stayed there consistently, for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. We haven't done that for quite a while. So I would say, even though I am DCAing, at this point I will proceed with caution, because there's always a possibility of a further dip that pushes us back into fear. But I will also say that that major dip that we had when Bitcoin went down to 92,000 is still pretty high. But when it went down to 92,000 and we saw Ethereum go to $2,100, that's probably going to be one of the strongest dips that we will have this cycle, right, while we're in the bull run. So if you do see another capitulation wick like that, that is a buying opportunity, right? Of course, not financial advice, just my opinion on the market. Bitcoin is currently 95K, 95,395. So again, another nice DCA opportunity. Can we wick a little bit lower? Yes, it's possible. But if you look at the capitulation wicks, this first wick back here in January of 2025 brought us all the way down to 90K. The second wick right here in February of 2025 brought us down to 91,600. So this 91,600 is a little bit higher than the first wick of 90,000. And since then, we've come back up, but it seems like we're kind of going sideways, and it's getting a little bit boring. So you're getting some time capitulation. But with the altcoins, you're getting more than time capitulation. You're actually getting capitulation. This is altcoin dominance, excluding the top 10. So this is the dominance of altcoins, excluding the top 10 coins. So these are the coins that we really care about the most, because these coins give you the most bang for your buck in a bull market. And we've just been going sideways in a range, and we're currently at the lower end of that range. So that's why I'm mentioning DCAing and saying that this might not be a bad time to DCA, because we're pretty low right now. Yes, we did have a capitulation wick here of where it brought it down to 7.78%, but we're currently at 8.39%. And where we are in the market, it's actually pretty close to the time of where altcoins start to take off. Because if you look at last cycle, first off, let me mention in November of 2024 what happened when we saw a bounce from this line, and we're pretty close to the line right now. Well, we are approximately 17% away from the line. But last time we bounced from this line, we had a gain of 133%. So that's your positions going up another 100%, bouncing from that line. That's why DCAing anywhere close to this line is actually a good look. And this was not altcoin season. This was just a bounce from that line. So during altcoin season, you could expect a lot more gains. So this was the last cycle, November of 2020. Let's go to February of 2021. From the lows to the highs, that's 418%. So that's 5x. That's your altcoin positions going 5x. And we are right now entering, and we're opening the door to that bounce. So that is what is about to happen. And I want to make sure that my bags are packed and I'm ready for that ride, because should that happen, we'll see tremendous gains. And you also have to remember that that was average gains. If you're in some of the top altcoins or some of the best performers, you could outperform that, right? You could outperform what those returns are. Now, the cycles are not identical, right? They rhyme. They're not exact, but we're expecting a bounce like that coming up shortly. And so with these capitulation wicks and with the fear in the market, I'm going to take that as a buying opportunity to just increase my positions. Now, if I want to lower my risk while keeping my rewards pretty good, I will go for, some good risk reward altcoins like Render. Render is like all the altcoins. Render is down tremendously from its highs. So it had a recent high. From its recent high, it's down around 65%. And from its high from March of 2024, it's down 70%. And from its lowest point, most recent point is around 73%. So you're pretty much getting Render at its low. And this is a top AI DPIN. And this narrative is going to be big in the bull market, because even BlackRock is getting into DPIN. And then you have Aave. Aave is also, once Ethereum starts to run, which Ethereum is starting to run and starting to break out against Bitcoin, Aave is also another no brainer. These are good risk reward coins if you want to keep your risk low, but you want to make sure that you do get some growth from the coming altcoin season. You have optimism. Optimism from as high as down 84%. No, 77%. It went as far as 84%. It's currently down 78%. So again, I mean, these coins are easy to get. 5, 7x, maybe more. So those are some good risk reward coins. On the on the degen side, there is a lot. If you're looking for like 20x or more, there's a lot of coins. Dex check is one of them. But as you go down the risk curve, do realize that these coins are a lot more risky, right? This is Dex check is down 94% from its recent high, and this high was in March of 2024. So that's 94%. There's a lot. GTAI, another higher risk but higher reward coin, 95% down from the high. So the opportunities are boundless in the market. There's many opportunities. Another good risk reward coin. I'm actually surprised it's down, but the market in general, the altcoins are down, so this is going to be down also. Casper went as far down as 66% from its recent highs, and it's currently down 52%. So this is a nice, good risk reward coin right here. But to make a long story short, as I've noted before, these are opportunities, and I wouldn't say that it's capitulation and the market's over. These coins that I'm showing you now, these are high risk, high reward coins if you're really shooting for ridiculous outsized returns. But do remember that some of these might not exist within a couple months, right? So be very careful and manage your risk. Today, Netmine token is down 27%. Shrapnel is down 21%. I mean, these coins can go 40x, these coins that I'm mentioning now, but remember, they could also go to zero. Neural AI is down 17%. Not AI is down 12%. GTAI, which I just mentioned, is down 13%. Xborg, which was all the rave recently, is down 15%. And you can go straight down the list. Look at OTK down 12.8%. I mean, there's ridiculous bargains right now in the market. And if you want to see what I'm buying, when I'm buying, and for what price, you check out the Patreon because I'm still putting out buy alerts because the deals are just really good. And guess what? No one is going to be excited when coins look like this, right? When everything's down on a day, when Jupiter is down 14% and Injective is down 11% and IMX is down 12%, Radium's down 13%, even Render is down 10%. No one's going to be excited about the market. But to outperform the market, you have to do the opposite of what most market participants do. That means that you have to buy the capitulation wicks. I will say buy the dip, but a dip like this, I would DCA in on. I wouldn't go like heavy because again, what if we have a really big capitulation wick? You want to make sure you have capital to get the capitulation wick because that's when you make outsized returns. If you could have bought ADA during the COVID crash back in March of 2020, you would have been able to buy ADA for 2 cents. And then if you had the conviction, you could have held, and you could have held it all the way up to $3.20, giving you a 150x in this market. And this is why buying capitulation wicks and then having the conviction to hold the capitulation wick, that is why those who are able to do that outperform the market. Solana went down to $8 about 2.5 years ago. If you're able to buy Solana at $8 and then hold Solana to $290, that right there, that's retirement money. So you have to be able to buy the capitulation wick. You have to have the conviction to buy it. It has to be a project you believe in. Then you have to have the conviction to hold despite what the market's saying. And then you, after that, also be able to switch your mind from hodl to now take profit and retire. That's what I got for you today. This is Crypto.XL, and I'll see you at the top.
Welcome to Crypto.XL, your go-to spot for all things crypto. Here we dive into market trends, altcoin gems, and blockchain innovations, helping you stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of crypto. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing here is financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Want exclusive insights? Join the Patreon, where I share buy and sell picks, market updates, and behind-the-scenes content. Hit that like, subscribe, and bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's ride the crypto wave together.